So when you see questions like this, you'll have to come up with a strategy. So this is for question 30. How do you remember the not? What do you do? Like for myself, I'm going to make like a cloud around it. Not, not, not. And then I loved how one of the students in my class says that she thinks of three truths and a lie, and one lie. I'm going to just put and a lie. That's how she thinks of it. So I thought it was a really great idea because we sometimes like, okay, we're gonna play the game. Give me three truths and a lie, and then we have to guess what is truth and what is a lie. So that's a really great concept because three of these are right and one is wrong. So author's purpose. AP, if you want, for author's purpose, to find the lie. So does that make it easier to figure out the knots? For me, it does. So now that I remember. So here's what I need to do. Y equals X plus 4 and 5, 4.5, or 4 and 5/10. Remember that 5/10 is 1/2. So I'm going to write and guys, use grid sheets. I printed out so many grid sheets. Miss Davis is my witness. Yes, I am. And so there's slots there so that you can write it out. So I'm going to go ahead and practice what I preach and put it on a grid sheet. And I'm going to write y equals x plus 4 and 5/10. So I'm going to take this first one. If y is 5 and 5/10 equals x is 1 plus 4 and 5/10. Is that a true statement? We're looking to see, remember this equal sign means that do they balance? It's like that on that scale, right? Are they the same? So they are equal. So is 1 whole and 4 and 5/10 equal to 5 and 5/10? Yes, that's a true statement. So I'm going to put true. That one's right there. Okay, so now I'm going to come down to here. I have 6 and 5/10 equals 2 plus 4 and 5/10. I know that 4 plus 2 equals 6, and then 5/10, so that's a true statement. I'm going over here to 7 and 5/10 equals 3 plus 4 and 5/10. Is that a true statement? And if this going side by side confuses you, go ahead and stack it. This is what it looks like if you stack. Remember, it's 3 wholes, not 3/10, 3 wholes. So it's 5 and then that's 7. So that's a true statement, 7 and 5/10. So I'm going to put T here. And then the last one is 9 and 5/10 equals 5 plus 4 and 5/10. And that's a true statement. Okay, so this is a truth. Okay, I know it's not that answer. So now I'm going to move over to the next one. I'm going to put y equals x plus 4 and 5/10. Guys, if this part confuses you, then simply put x equals, oh, I lied. Meant to write x plus 4 and 5/10 equals y. And then that way you can just plug this in at 2 plus 4 and 5/10 equals 6 and 5/10. So you can do it that way. It makes it a lot easier too, right? Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. So that's true. You can put a check mark or T for true. Next, I'm going to put 4 plus 4 and 5/10 equals 8 and 5/10. That's a true statement. Then I'm going to put 5 plus 9 and 5/10. I meant to put 4 and 5/10. My brain went sideways on that one. And that's 9 and 5/10. That's a 4 because that's just the given. and that's a true statement. And then the last one, I have 6 plus, and what's given is 4 5/10 equals 10 5/10. And so that's the truth. So this is a truth. So far I have 2 truths. I need to get 3 truths and a lie. So let's go to this last one, or this next one. I'm going to go ahead and do this format because it seems to be a lot easier with a flow. X plus 4 5/10 equals Y. So here's what I'm going to do so I don't confuse myself, and just put the equals. 4 5/10 equals plus 4 5/10 equals, oops, I see what I did. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I'm ready to plug in my x's. The first one is, let me do it like this. Can you see it that way? There we go. So the first one is 4, and my y is 18. Uh-oh, that doesn't make sense, does it? I'm going to take this and stack it, 4 5/10. I have 4 wholes, like $4. Bring down my decimal when I add and subtract. So that's 5 and that's 8. False. That doesn't work. So I'm going to write false. I already know that that first one isn't right, so I'm not going to worry. That's not right. If you're not sure, you can move to the next one where you have 5, and then it goes to 22 5/10. Well, that doesn't work. If you already look at this, look, guys, you already have a 5 here, and you already said that that was a true statement. You have a 5 here, and that was a true statement. And you have a 5 here, and it's 22. And wrong answer. And you had a 4 here that said it was 8 5/10 that you said it was true. So you know that it cannot be this one either. Okay, so there's my false. And I'm going to double check to make sure that there were no other mistakes. And I'm going to put x plus 4 5/10 equals y plus 4 5/10. I'm going to write this twice. Okay, so here I have 1, and that does equal to 5 5/10. I have it right here. You see how I have a 1 already? And I can just simply go through, since you already know that these are truths. I have my 3, is that 7 5/10? Very good. See how I'm matching that up? And then my 7, did I get a 7 already? No, but I can check that. So let me check my 7. So I have 7 plus 4 5/10. Yes, that is 11 5/10. Way to go. And then I have 9 plus 4. That is 13 5/10. So this is a true truth. This is my truth. So I found my 3 truths and my 1 lie. So the answer is G. All right. Does that make it a lot easier? On any of these that you see, you're going to do it on your griddable, please, 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 and follow that format. We did this back in December, and we're going to cover more of it as we go through. All right, thanks. What next week?